Yo, so I've been kind of exploring the world of OS development and all of that. Now, I'm not really I'm in no way completely experienced with the field of OS development and x86 assembly and stuff like that. It's something I've been doing for fun, kind of like looking around, previewing, I guess. And I've been something that really got me was segmentation. And I don't think it has been put into importance, at least for me. It hasn't been put into importance when I was learning this, and it got me stuck when I was doing a simple bootloader. Even this part, it kind of got like, I kind of AI'd it a little bit because I had no idea what I was doing in x86 assembly. And I moved over to stage 2, and what was the problem was I didn't know about segmentation. I didn't know that real mode, if my knowledge is correct, I didn't know that real mode had to multiply everything by 0x10 in hexadecimal. It moves everything over by 1. And that got me stuck. So I'm trying to make like a simple bootloader that kind of like that kind of like plays this, this Mac chime. I made a modified version of a Mac chime and like just plays it using Sound Blaster 16. That's why I'm in real mode. That's why I'm not writing a kernel for things like Intel HD Audio. Um, so yeah, so if you're like a beginner like me, um, make sure that it's shifting over by 0x. Yeah, don't get stuck on this.